How to unfriend all friends on Facebook Lite. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to unfriend all Facebook friends on Facebook Lite. So now open up your Facebook Lite app like this now. So in Facebook Lite, now go to this menu. So in this menu, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down and look for friends in this section. As you can see now, friends. So in this option now, I can't find the friends section. So probably for now, Facebook doesn't allow you to change this setting in Facebook Lite, because Facebook Lite, it's like it has some limited features than like the normal Facebook. So if you want to change this feature, you must go back to your Facebook. As you can see now, you must use this Facebook official Facebook app. So after you open the official Facebook app like this, now go to this menu. So from this menu, scroll to down and tap on this more, see more. So in this option, you can be issued to be able now to see the friends section. Under the friends section, now you can tap on this your friends. So from this your friends, as you can see now, here is all your friends. So if you want to unfriend all friends on Facebook, just go ahead and find the person that you want to remove. Let's say for me, I want to remove this person. I'll tap on this three dot beside his name and tap on this unfriend. So from there, now if I tap on this confirm button, now it will remove this person from my friend list. So now you can follow this method to go and unfriend all your Facebook friends. That's it guys on how to unfriend all friends on Facebook. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.